Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. So if you watched some of my other Maverick videos, I pointed out in the past there's two spots that I thought were engineered weird on the back of the Maverick. They're just going to allow a problem in the future. So one of them was underneath where I installed the splash shield from Mabett, where dirt and grime and everything can get up in behind the rear taillight here. And the other spot I pointed out was this really weird recess right here in the front, the rear fender well, which you can see, if you look down in there, is exposed to the metal in the body. So when you drive, especially in the winter, all that salt and crap is sprayed and runs right down in there into the metal. Kind of a weird design. Not really sure why that's there. So the folks over at Mabett have been listening, and they developed a set of, they call them rear wheel front mud guards. Basically they are plastic covers. These just came out. I was one of the first people to get a set, and I did pay for these full price with my own money, just FYI. They're not being sponsored by them or anything like that. So I'm going to show you how to put them on. Alright, so they actually include pretty much everything you need. And this is really easy to do. They even give you this little cat claw tool, which is pretty nice. You'll be able to use this for a lot of other stuff. So it's pretty simple. We're going to start by just removing these two little factory clips here. And this is the same thing on both sides. And we've got a couple 7mm some 7mm screws to hold on. They actually include a little 7mm too. I don't know if that would have reached in there any better, but I don't need any tools, which is nice. Alright, now real quick before I cover this up too, well, this is like way optional, but I live in a northern state, so I'm going to take a little bit of fluid film, just kind of spray the metal that I can see that I'm about to cover up. And so now I'll take this primer pad. Adhesion promoter right here, looks like real good. It's one of the spots. The upper edge is up here. Once you get the protective cover off the tape, this goes over this whole thing, like this. Just want to line up the holes. And press the sticky part in. Alright, so in the kit, they include these longer push clips. Put the screws back in. Alright, so there's how that goes. On to the other side. All right, so very easy. Looks good, not too bad. All right, so I will have a link in the description where you can buy these. So again, this was the first run of them. So if they're sold out, when you click on the link, just keep checking back. There's a lot of demand for these since they came out. Because a lot of other people agree. It seems kind of like a weird thing. But if you're interested in Maverick videos, specifically my 2025 hybrid all-wheel drive, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment or question below. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you later.